Tell her about it. You know that song? How about this line? In there is our destiny. This is the Kodak 20mm vintage lens. I'll open that up. This video is about prepping for a telephoto journey. Which unfortunately it's gonna be windy as hell, but I guess that's what the hook is on these tripods. You can like hang a weight on them. But anyway, I'm gonna design a mount thing. You know, it goes around this, and then I'm just gonna use zip ties to put it together. Honestly, you could use screws, but I was like, I have to go source some. But yeah, so clamps down at whatever rotation this is right now, and then it just sits on top of the tripod. And the other thing I have to do is update the code and add a setting where you say do delayed shutter. You know, you push this, click it, you let go of the camera on the tripod. Hopefully it's not moving around because of the wind. But okay, it keeps wanting to roll over. And then it takes the picture like 3 seconds later, so that'll help a lot. The other thing I'm going to look into is putting a ND filter on here. Damn, this thing's out of focus. I should have used a higher f-stop. Come on now, Jacob. Come on now, Jacob. So yeah, this is 58mm, so I have to see. It does have threads on the inside, so you can screw a filter on there. But yeah, that's in case I get that purple problem again. My god, this thing is so cool. Look how tiny it is. Kodak Anastigmatic f3.5 20mm. It's got little. This video isn't about this lens, but I just wanted to check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Look at him. Hot! Reminds me of that Apollo parrot. Metal. Alright. So I'm looking at this, and this feels nice, how it sits flat like that. Doesn't really mean anything, because I have to design a ring that goes around this, and then you'd put this down and spin it around, you know, till it's tight facing straight. The other thing to point out is when it's flat like that, the camera actually turns a little counterclockwise upwards, but it doesn't really matter. It's, you know, as long as it's stable and attached to something. So that is the goal. I was thinking about it. It's gonna take me a while to print this part. I'm trying to do it like during the day, but because I've got like I don't know, 4 hours. Let's see what happens. Maybe I can bust it out. I have to design like the hex nut goes in there, a little platform, the ring itself, which has this weird profile. Maybe I can just take a picture of it head on and trace it. That's probably what I would do. Anyway, it's not something I'll be able to achieve today, but yeah, I'll make it another video for that. So this is the current menu. I never like expanded the dimensions. It would be easier to do that if it was a square, but it's a rectangle, so I just kept using it as is. Anyway, so what I have to do is, so right now we're in settings, like you can navigate left, right. It draws a line and sets the word right there. And also like the battery counts down as it's counting upwards from the profiled battery hours. But anyway, we're not concerned about that. We're concerned about the settings. We're going to add an entry in here that says delayed shutter. You click into it. There will be a menu where you choose like how long, 0, 1, 3, 5, something like that. And then when you click that, it goes back to, I guess, home. Forgot to mention, this camera is connected to my Wi-Fi, so I can SSH into it, to change the code, and that's how I also move files through an SFTP program like FileZilla. So I actually had programmed a, transfer to USB function, and you plug in an OTG cable. That used to work, but it stopped recently. I'm not sure why. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, I've been working on this menu system here. You'll see the difference, and I've explained it in another video, the difference, but now, instead of manually defining, it's JSON based now, so there's like a structure. Look at that logo. Damn, I drew that. Isn't that crazy? But this thing is defined with this right here. So like the picture is there, X, Y, and Z dimensions, and then there's a thing that generates the displays. Like if you see the root of menu, there's the like home screen, which is what you saw earlier, but it's big, and it looks like this. You see, this is for the new camera, the new display, which I've also been working on. Look at this thing. Boom! I modeled all the parts for the new camera. I did decide it's not gonna have this speaker, because I was thinking about it like it would be cool, they have these breakout mics. They're pretty easy to use. I2S, not I2C, and the speaker, and then you could like talk to it. But it's like, I was thinking of like gimmicks, but I didn't. Oh, and whenever you push the shutter, it would make a shutter sound. Like that would be nice. But aside from that, there's really no point in adding it. You could have like a local LLM running and have it do text to speech, and like you talk to it or something. But I think it would just look weird talking to your camera. So this version is not gonna have that, but yeah. And it's gonna be like this shape, but that's not the point of this video. Sorry, I just wanted to say we're working on that. Let's close all this, and I'm using this editor, but so I mentioned the same Wi-Fi thing. We're SSH'd in here. So this is the live code that's running on the camera, and we gotta edit that settings page. So that would be where? Well, you will definitely need to modify menu. Because it has like the state management. So pull that up. We'll also go into display because we're going to have to render a new page. View edit. You'll just see the difference that I just showed earlier. Okay, let's make some room here. Alright, so let's see. I haven't worked on this in a while, so I gotta remember what to do. Okay, if home settings. What's a page that we go into from settings? Like telemetry? Battery profiler, that's one. So, oh yeah, so how is it, this is working, it's getting a button input in, which button, and then it's, based on the current state, that's how it's switching things around. So, I'm just looking at the camera in front of me. Let's see, time lapse, reset battery. Yeah, these are reset battery. Yeah, these are, so we would need one of these, like if menu equal delayed shutter delay, Shutter delay, let's call it that. And then we want to intercept like a back button. If button equal back, go back to this main active menu, home, start menu. So that part is there. We have to show a new menu item. So I think somewhere in display, here's some tricks right here. Let's see. Finish it. Fold. Oh no. This. So you can expand stuff and collapse. We're looking for render like settings. Yeah. Render settings. Get settings image. Okay. Alright, so this is what's rendering that list of options. So let's see, we've got room. So I'll just add draw text 5. The difference looks to be 26, so 180. It will say shutter delay? Delay shutter? What do we choose? Shutter delay. Shutter delay, yeah. Okay, so that's the new line. And then, oh, my coding style has changed now. I would keep it like that, unless it's a grouped block of text. But, yeah, fine, might as well. And then, okay, we need a new page, though. That's the one thing. Oh, that sucks. Damn. Damn! You know, I think for the sake of this video, I'll just do, you won't be able to choose like 1, 3, 5. It'll just wait, I don't know, 3 seconds is probably good, right? 5, 1, 2, 3. I think 3 is good. I'll say 3. So, one is there. Let's see. So, what's going on? What's going on? You know that song? It's Future Funk. Alright, so we're on settings. So this is counting like 0 to 6. There's 7 items. See, like, I think 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. No, there's 9. Yeah, so there's 8. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 7. So there's 7 original, now there's 8 because we added 1. So here we have to add if settings y equals 7 self, oh, it's not going to do anything. It's going to set a global variable. So we'll pull up main, and we'll also need camera. So around main, we'll do we'll just do a boolean like self. Oh, actually no, this shouldn't go here. It should go in camera. Let's do like self.delayed shutter. The default will be false. So, and then what's going to happen is here it's going to have a reference to main. I believe it has a reference to main. Self.main. Yeah. So it's going to change the value. Self.main. Oh, and it also main has a reference of camera. If you see, like right here. So you go self.main.camera, and then delayed shutter equals true, and then what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, we'll do the same thing here. Set them menu to home and then go to home, render home. There's a command to go back to where you are, but this will work. Okay, so that we'll do that, and then we have to, when the camera takes a picture, there's like a take picture, take photo command. I guess it takes that long to take a picture. Sometimes when I'm taking pictures, I'm like, damn, this delay is a while. But there isn't even that much of a delay, 150 milliseconds. But we'll just throw in here, this is what I mean right here. So I'd have a new line here. Oh, and I used to do this all the time. I would put a parentheses around if, but the last year or so I've been working in like AI and that kind of stuff, and it's not that kind of stuff. It's developing AI agents with RAG, you know. So you build up a knowledge base with vector database and then it searches against it. But yeah, I've been using Python a lot as like the only language for all the lambdas, the fast API server and all that. But yeah, one of the things I've changed is using this parentheses thing, so I don't do that anymore. All right, let's continue. If lately I've been working in CloudFormation. That's pretty cool. All right, if self dot it's referencing itself, so do self dot delayed shutter. You say time dot sleep 3, else it does the normal sleep. That should be it. So now I have to go into the Pi and then restart this service that's loaded all these files. So you can just look up, should be able to, service? No. I think I know what it's called. So I do sudo systemctl status service. It's not that, okay. Not that either. Damn, I don't know what it's called. It's in the docs. Oh, did I spell it out? Modular, no. Ah, look at this. All right, so there it is running currently. So I'll have to restart it. I should film this and sync it before I hit enter. All right, so we're gonna hit enter. Huh, I thought it would like re-render itself. Okay, I guess that doesn't work the way I thought it would. I thought it would have like re-rendered the home. So code is new. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's booting now. This is a little splash screen winking. Hi cam, boom. Now let's see if I did everything right. I go to settings. There's shutter delay. Go down to it. Oh no, it's not advancing below. Crap. Yeah, I missed like a menu state. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Settings. Oh, here. So settings, you hit down. Oh, we have to advance this. 7. There's 8 things now. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, it's starting back up. Beep. I forget what that's called. It's from anime. It's like the Railgun series. She does like a chibi face all the time. That was that kind of eye style. Alright, we go down. No! What just happened? Oh no. No! Alright, that's a fail. So, what happened? Let me wait for it to start up again. What's going on? What's going on? Machine she dies. Okay, so we go to settings. I'm on settings. I'm going downwards. When I get to... Wait, how many are there? I get to shutter delay. It doesn't get there. Down. Menu settings Y plus equals 1. Menu settings Y. So what happened? Down. Update menu. I must have missed something here. Settings. So we're on but it's down, not enter. It should be on enter. Wait a minute. Wait, what's going on? What happens on down? That's where we're just at, right? Down. Look at settings. It doesn't care about which button is pushed. You have to catch it. Oh crap, this active menu thing. You don't need that. What? What? Damn it. You don't... Let's see, hold on. Where am I looking? Where am I looking? You are failing, doctor. Render settings. Oh, interesting. I see. So I have to do this right here. Yeah, okay. My bad, my bad, my bad. You have to say draw active, active, not delete all files, shutter delay. We say shutter delay here. And then in display, it says draw, what that was called? Draw active. Yeah, this right here. This is a repeatable pattern right here. But we're just gonna get it done. Draw active, shutter delay. Settings image, and then it's just advancing. Oh my god, these line breaks, bro. Please, please. We're advancing the y coordinate, which, how far apart are they? 26, right? 46, 26, 72, yeah. So advancing by 26, so here it'd be 180. These are the left and right points of a line. What did I just say? 26? 24? Man, my short-term memory is terrible. It's 26, there should be that too. 26, so it should be 98. There. So that'll draw the line under the thing. And when you click the center button, that's when it's supposed to do something. So right here, like active menu, shutter delay, it can handle back, but it'll also do center. So you do like or, it'll take you to the home menu. Oh, but, oh crap, no, hold on. We'll do if button equal center. Is that what it is? Shutter delayed? Delayed shutter, God. Delayed shutter. The long way. Alright. This is tough, because you want to, or whatever. We'll get it done, we'll get it done. I'm writing better code in the newer software, I swear. Okay, delayed shutter. I gotta figure out where else I set that. I think I didn't, yeah. So it should be good now. Yes, yes. Oh, and let's check. Let's check the diff, make sure. Delayed shutter false. Self-taught delayed shutter, time necessary 3. What's going on? She done I she did. Show image. What? What? Down 7 1. Render settings. Yeah, that's just the line. Shutter delay. Hit center. Does true. Render home. Okay, that's good. Alright, let's restart it and let's do it again. Whop. That's like the sound they play when she makes that face. I gotta watch that show again. It's been a long time. A long time. Okay, see the blue line going down? That's the 7 array limit thing. Okay, so we went to it, didn't do anything. If you click center button, it's hard to see, it will set that shutter. Oh no, nothing's happening. What? Nani? Alright, that's a fail. State. Update state. Okay, so calls update state if none of these other things are happening. Go to update state, which was working for settings. Oh, you have to add a handler here. That is shutter delay. I think this is actually where you do it. Self dot main camera delayed shutter equals true. Then you call self dot update menu, or it already happens down there. The button pressed. So then that will propagate to this part, center, and its active thing is right here, shutter delay, center. The back, I don't know if that'll work. It will, because I don't know. Because, but why is it called an ice age? Because of all the ice. Oh, I actually have this backwards too, damn. So center is picked up right. Oh no, it's not. That's inside settings. Well, settings, in there, you click center. Okay, center. But how does it get there, you know? Oh, the active menu item, I see. Self dot. Shutter delay, say this. We don't have a menu though, we don't care about that. So at this point, yeah, nothing happens. So set the active menu item to shutter delay. Or no, it already is that. You click center, it's already that. So it sets this flag. And then update menu runs. And it says it's shutter delay. In this case, the center one will fire, which I guess it should be set here, but yeah, we're just setting this part. I wrote this code so long ago, I'm sorry. I literally wrote this code 3 years ago. Okay. And active menu, shutter delay. Shutter delay. Center. Set the thing. Render that. This. How do you get to this state from back? You get down to it by using the down button. Where is that? Down. Oh, the update state. Not home. It's at settings. Down. It just updates the thing. And then settings, the Y. Active menu item is set. And then when you hit center, center, shutter delay, main.active menu, picks it up here, and then yeah. Alright, let's try it. Yes, that was it. Oh man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were. Like a coin that won't get tossed. Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you. Alright, so the home screen. Right now, if you take a picture, I want to say this is 200mm. It's the same case. You have to unscrew it to focus something near you, which is ass. Whatever. You can clearly see there's a picture though, but yeah. Those are the buttons to the stereo right there. But you click this. 1, 2, 3. Well, it does take like 30 seconds to take a picture. We should see it get even worse. Okay. I should do the contrast thing. It's too late. Alright, go to the right, settings. Going down. Shutter delay is hit. Take the shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. That looks like it worked. Yeah. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds? I don't know. I'll have to like restart and try again. Because you can't unset it. The lazy code. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Damn. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no difference. Crap. Oh, okay, let's check that. Main camera delayed shutter. Shutter false, set it to true. You could log when it takes the photo what that value is. Oh no. Handle shutter. It's in the wrong spot. Dang. Or is it? Alright, I'm gonna reset this back to what it was. And then the handle shutter, that looks like the right place to take a picture. So yeah, here when the camera is like not doing anything, it's just showing the menu. the first shutter click is here. So it starts that live preview, the pass through the camera. And then here it is. So yeah, and here you can see it says photo captured, taking photo. Which, I don't know, we'll do it right here. Because then that message will display until it's done. Clear screen. Okay, so now it should work, I believe. To restart the service. You can make the high camera take pictures very quickly. Like I have a signal kill trigger thing on my motion sensor home security camera thing. But that's not like quality, you know. It takes a as quick as it can picture. Okay, so I go, well, hold on. Let's take a quick picture. Preview's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn, 5 seconds, man, that's terrible. We'll get out of live preview. Let settings down, down, down. Turn that on, so it should be active. Preview again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, it seems like it's not working. I don't like that. I don't trust that. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to write a log somewhere to verify that it's actually working. So if, where would this log to? You are failing, doctor. It's like, I'm trying, man, I'm trying. So it looks like you just literally write LMN, import logging. But then I'm not specifying where it's written. It is written. Alright, let's do this. So, set up logging here. Shutter delay log. It's gonna be info, not debug. And then, before it takes the picture, logger, info. There. Where is that path? It should just right into where camera is. So it'll show up like in here. Alright, let's do it again. Let's do it again. I legit thought this would take me 20 minutes, but it's still going. Still going. Jacobo, as my past coworker would say. Maybe like sopa. Alright, so the first picture we take, we're just gonna see what happens. Does it write that logging file? It didn't? But I wrote it out here. Must be a path thing. Oh well. What is this? Oh, it's probably this. False, yeah. I could have put a thing in there, but anyway, it's there. So we'll go to the menu. Go down. Turn it on. Shutter. Take a picture. Refresh. Yeah, it changed. See, now it says true. So, handle shutter is true if, isn't this 3 seconds? Time to sleep. I'm pretty sure it's seconds. What unit is timed as sleep? It says 1 second. It does not seem like long enough. Hmm? Alright, I will log I'll do a log in there to make sure like it actually hits this. I mean, it should. It's true. If true, time.sleep. I don't think it's some kind of like threading problem. I don't know. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, let's see what happens here. She goes an epic epoch. Epoch. I wish I could live without you. The new lens I got, it looks like a hose, a thing you attach to a hose. It's so funny how tiny it is. It's a little nub. Must be cold. Alright, so we'll set it right away because I want to see that in the log. Shutter delay. Pick the picture. Now we look at this. You don't have to refresh this, but I just do it. View edit. Okay. Soy tonto. Okay. It is 3 seconds apart. Damn. Interesting. Right here. 4 and 7. Why does it seem so fast? I don't get that. Like, it seems like there's no difference between that and not having it on at all. I'll confirm one more time. Yeah, I should write something. Else. Okay. The Ramiana family with a pocket full of shells. The Ramiana family! A pocket full of shells. Alright. I hit the shutter, take the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, it still takes like 5 seconds. Why? This should say not waiting. And there's no delay between the two timestamps. But why are they like the same time? Doesn't make sense. Misa no get, man. Misa no get. You're all I see. There's only one take photo call. Takes a picture, full capture file, change mode, fast mode. This is where we're calling it. I mean, the only thing I can think of is, might as well set it to 5, you know, then it's like, definitely is longer. Alright, that should be the last one. So super long video, my bad, my bad. Forgiveness. What is democracy? Is that what he said? That got something to do with young men killing each other, Archie. When it comes my turn, where you want me to go? He's like, but democracy, any man will give his only begotten son. Alright. Oh, damn, hold on. I turned it on. 1, oh no, shutter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy shit, okay, that's super long, damn. This is definitely working now, but hold on, let me do it one more time. This just seems dumb. Like, you say 3-second delay, it takes 3 seconds still. No delay, it still takes 3 seconds. I should change it. It'll say, like, waiting, taking photo. So then I'm, like, sure that it's not, you know. Okay. Just click it this time. 1, 2, 3. 3 is done. Ah, that's so weird. Okay. I mean, I'm using, like, auto settings, so the sensor's reacting to whatever it sees. Alright, so let's do that. I will say, yeah, we'll have a branch here. So we can take the logging out because we proved that it works. Here we'll say waiting 5 seconds, and then it'll just do the thing here like it normally would. Take the logger out. Don't need that. Don't need that. You're listening to NPR. So we'll take this off. We'll restart. I'll film this one. No. But I'm all alone at last, floating on to you. Alright, let's see. Oh, I just want to do a regular picture. Shutter, preview, click it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the normal way. How it's been. Go here, settings, go all the way down. Shutter delay, click it. Preview. 1, oh yeah, right there. It says 4, 5. Taking photo. 1, 2. Okay. There. Feature complete. Make that PR.